On the returns, this is the style that most people are going with when they replaster or they get a new pool build. This type fitting, I can't stand them. You don't get very much movement out of them. They will move on their own. It's not held in the wall very well. It just has one little thread. The kind I want you to replace them with is the old school. It's a 3-part fitting. You have this part that threads into the wall, and you have your eyeball, and then this threads over that, and you get that nice and snug. And once this is tightened down nice and snug, then you can put like a screwdriver in there and turn it to whatever direction you want. It's like a chameleon's eyeball or a gun turret. You can get all kinds of direction out of it. But a lot of times, like if there's one that you need to go down, like a return there, but we need it to come down this wall, well, then we'll use a side slot, which is exactly like this one. This one, by the way, you can get them white, gray, black, whatever you need. Same thing, still 3 pieces. And then when you get this one nice and snug, you can stick a smaller size Phillips or flathead screwdriver in it, and then just turn it around whatever direction you want it. Again, I like my return slightly down, going down the walls, get the whole pool turning either clockwise or counterclockwise. That will eliminate these dead spots and corners that are very, very problematic, because that's where algae will first get started, and then it will start spreading in other parts of the pool. And again, in the floor of the hot tubs, guys, this is critical. This helps so many people out, and it's so simple. Okay, now in these spa foot wells, a lot of times you guys will have these fountains that come up, you know, and then they'll spray water and all that. Guys, if you got that center return in your hot tub, you're going to be much better served removing that fountain and putting in a side slot jet, just like we're doing on the walls in this pool. And so now all the water coming to the spa is coming up through that for the overflow when we're in pool mode, and it's going to spray, it's going to hit these corners, and it's going to keep the water moving in that foot well. You can see that over there, that dirt that's over there, that's from before we did this. Well, now you can already see that leaf right there is starting to move. This dirt's going to start to move, and we're going to start keeping this stuff churning and get it to come up and out of the spa, and not give algae a chance to make the spa it's like homeland and it's farmland, where it just continually multiplies and then spreads to the rest of the pool. So I highly recommend putting side slot returns in the floor of your hot tub. Keep that foot well stirred. It's going to eliminate some problems. Get your pool moving well, use side slot or directional returns. Get the pool moving either clockwise or counterclockwise. Sometimes you have to get a little creative, because, you know, not every pool is square. A lot of times they get all kinds of shapes. So you got to just do what you can to keep the water moving best you can around the pool, even if it's a big figure 8 or whatever. Just, you know, play with it, find something that's going to work, you know, just the best you can, eliminate the dead spots, and that will really help you with algae.